Okay, I have set this up so that I have removed the instantiation of ImageHub from the inside of the loop, and I have put these lines after the instantiation of the ImageHub. Let me not drag that over there. Let me highlight this instead. So I instantiate the ImageHub there for the IP address and the port, and I print what the socket high water mark is. Then I disconnect the socket, specifically referencing that. I set the socket to a high water mark of 2. I print that again, and then I reconnect the socket. And then everything else goes after that, and then I have, once I'm in the loop, everything is per normal. So, save a lot of time and everything else. I am going to simply run that script again. Make sure that I get my .pickle on the end there. There we go. And here we go. Unfortunately, unless this works differently than it did in the last 3 times that I tested it, it's going to load the hard cascades and the encodings, and then what we will see, and I'm going to start moving around here so that we can start to see some movement on the screen very quickly. Okay, so there we go. So there's my 1000, and then we can see that it's set it to 2. Sorry about that. And I've got the same slow-mo going. The frames are queuing up. Unfortunately, this did not seem to cure the issue. So again, if you can take a look at that code right there, see if you see anything that I'm missing. It does show, again, it shows 1000. I disconnect, set it to 2. It shows 2. I reconnect, and again, there's that. So I appear to be stuck right now with having to re-instantiate the image hub with every single loop. And it's just, it's aesthetically disgusting to me. I'm sorry. It works. I can use it for now, but I'm really hoping that Core ZMQ can fix whatever needs to be fixed so that the high watermark can be the thing that makes the difference. I'm going to kill this window here because if I don't, it's going to hang my whole system. Geez, there we go. Okay. Thought I might have been too late there for a second. So yeah, it appears that the high watermark is not doing anything for me. Again, I've got the code highlighted there. If I've been on the computer the entire day, if you can see something wrong there that I'm doing, let me know. But it does seem like it's taking the change. It prints the 1000. In fact, let me see if I can scroll back up here to the top. Yeah, there we go. So it's printing the 1000 initially, and which is the default for the high watermark, and then after I change it, it's printing the 2. So that comes from right there, and there's where I set it, and it's, as you saw, it's doing absolutely nothing to get rid of the frame backup. The frames are backing up just like there was nothing being set. And I've opened the image hub, I've disconnected, I've set, I've reconnected, and so I was really hoping. Anyway, again, thank you very much for watching this and for any assistance you can provide. Hopefully together we can do something to maybe get the high watermark to work in a way that would be useful in this kind of one-to-many application. And let me know whatever else you need me to program up or check out here, I'll be happy to do that and set up these videos. Let's see if we can get something working. Thanks again very much. Appreciate it. Have a good night and stay healthy.